Hey, do you remember the animation where I made a school bus getting hit by a train? Well, I'm going to be showing you how to make the tutorial for it right now. So, welcome back to Crafty Fox Blue, and this time we are making the American school bus, also used in Canada. And this is the brand new 2021 design. It's quite an improvement since the last time that I built an American school bus, so you guys can use this in your towns, your cities to go transport to school. I don't know if you guys still go to school with the quarantine or whatnot. And if you're wondering what it looks like on the roof, we have some of these exit hatches on top. And here's what the back looks like. And also the wheels have been slightly bigger than the older ones. But yeah, let's get started. So first off, we'll grab the materials: an oak stairs, an oak slab, birch button, and then another brick slab, black wool, another brick wall, polished black stone brick slab, black concrete, yellow concrete. So first off, we're going to add in 4 blocks wide of these upside down, or actually upper blackstone brick slabs like this. And then the middle we'll add 2 blocks wide of oak slabs like that. And behind it we're going to make a 2x2 of black concrete. And then to the side of this we'll add in another brick slab, black wool, with another brick wall behind it. And we can do the same thing on the other side. Alright, then we're going to add in an upside down oak stairs over here. Place that in the front. Other side, same thing. Alright, next up we're going to add 2 blocks wide oak stairs in the front. And then a 2x3 of yellow concrete. And to the edges we're going to extend that so it's 4 blocks wide like that. And then to the side, we'll add in an oak stairs and an oak slab. And then in between the wheels, we're going to add the axle, which is just our polished black stone brick slab like that. Alright, then underneath here, we'll add in an upside down oak stairs. And then yellow concrete is going to be 8 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we'll add in upside down oak stairs. And then a 2x2 of black concrete. And then another brick slab. Black wool underneath. Another brick wall in the front. Do the same thing on the other side. In the middle, we'll add in that polished blackstone brick slabs. Then the back of this, we'll add in 3 blocks long, yellow concrete, both sides. And then 4 blocks wide of this nether brick block. And then for the inside of this, we can add in yellow concretes on the edges, upside down oak stairs facing each other in the middle of that, and then an oak trap door so that there's 2 of them like that. Another 2 over here, they're both facing towards the middle. And then we'll add in the front area another brick slab, and then a red concrete, and then another brick slabs all the way across. Alright, then we'll go over to this side. We'll make a yellow concrete on the inside of all these nether brick slabs that we just placed. Now the other side, of course, is going to be different. It's going to have a door, so we'll need to make that. So on this side, we'll add in yellow concrete. Another block underneath here. In the front of this, we'll add in an oak stairs, upside down. And then oak stairs, and then an oak slab in the front of this. Then we'll add in 4 blocks wide of black stained glass blocks like this. And we'll add in another 3 here on the side. Then we'll add in oak slab, that polished blackstone brick slab, and then another oak slab. Then we'll add in yellow concrete on top. And then we're to go right to the side in front of this wheel. We'll add it upside down, oak stairs like that. and yellow concrete all the way across for the rest. Alright, then we'll add in nether brick slabs right over here, and this goes all the way across to the back. And behind that layer, we'll just fill that in with, actually we'll need to fill in the bottom layer with black concrete just to make a floor for this. So fill this in first. And then fill in black concrete right behind these door and the window in the front. Alright, now we can add in yellow concrete right behind the nether brick slabs on the side, all the way across. And then we'll go in the front, we'll add it yellow concrete 2 blocks wide, and nether brick stairs on either side of this. Then we'll add in acacia buttons so that there's a pair on top, and then oak signs, pair of that, in front of that. Then to the side we can add in a dark oak sign like that. Alright, so let's go to the back. We'll add in the black concrete 2 blocks wide, and this is going to go all the way across to the front. It is blacked out windows, and I guess if you don't want blacked out windows, you can actually just like leave that alone. Anyways, next up we'll add in a black stained glass pane over here. Then we'll go to the back and we'll add in 2 blocks wide yellow concrete, nether brick stairs on the edges, acacia buttons, a pair on top, and a pair of oak signs like that. Then we'll add in redstone torches on the edges here, and then an oak button on the back, both sides like that. Alright, next up we'll need to use this birch trapdoor because you probably can't use iron trapdoor, so we're just gonna make a line across, a row, like this, and we're gonna open up all these window pillars, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. And this is like a new way of making the windows, because the old one we were just using thick glass blocks, but you can't really fit the pillars in there. So this is a lot more realistic to have it like this. Okay, so next up we'll add in a smooth quartz block all the way across the middle like this. And then we'll add in an oak stairs to the side, and we're gonna make this go all the way across. Alright, next up we'll do the same thing on the other side. Like that. And then we'll add in a dark oak sign right behind that nether brick stairs in the front. Then we'll add in a wither skeleton skull, pair of this in the front corners. Gonna be diagonal. And then we'll add in some of the mirrors, so take out a dark oak fence gate, open that up here, and then nether brick fence in front of that, and nether brick fence to the side of that. Then we'll add in a birch button, blackstone button, acacia button, and then dark oak button. So first off, we'll add in blackstone button here, birch button over here, acacia button in the front, and dark oak button next to it. And we're going to do that dark oak button every other block. And the back, we're going to add another pair like that. Alright, so for the other side, there's going to be a blackstone button here, acacia button underneath it, and then dark oak button over here, and this is going to be every other block. And I believe that should be, okay, that's actually a little bit shifted. Not that it matters much. And these are supposed to be the rub rails. And then we'll add in another pair here in the back spaced apart. We'll also add in a gray banner to the back wheel and a stone button to the side of that. Other side, same thing, and that banner is supposed to be a mud flap. We'll also add in a stone button in the front wheels like this. Alright, so then on top we're going to add in the emergency exits for the top. So that's going to be a pair of iron trapdoors here. You can line up with this button here. And we're going to add another one so it goes in between these two buttons. Like that on top. Alright, so next up, we're going to add in Now, I don't know if like every edition of Minecraft can do this, but we're gonna add in these birch buttons to the front of these stairs. Now, if you can't do that, try using an item frame. That might be able to work. And also these, I guess, like these lights on top. Originally, in my original design, I was using item frames, so you can use that as well. Just put an item frame over here. You can take an, I guess, an orange bed. Yeah, we could just add that right there. So this is like one option you can do. Make them face towards it. So yeah, you do have that nice detail. It's better to have it than being empty, I think. So just add the same thing in the back, like this. The orange beds. Looks really nice. But yeah, that's actually pretty much it on how to build the American School Bus in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy the design and the video. And if you want to support the channel, you can now just hit the like button down below. It is free. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.